Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your name on Free4talk. So if you want to change your name, then you can change it easily. So what you need to do, you need to tap on your profile. So you can see right top corner on your screen, it's your profile icon. Simply tap on the profile. Once you tap on the profile, then you can see the option profile, my profile. Simply tap on my profile and you will see the option open my Google profile. Simply tap on open my Google profile, and then you can see it's your profile page. So you need to tap here personal info, this one. Once you tap personal information, then scroll down a little bit, then you can see the option name. Simply tap on the name and then tap here the pencil icon, and then you can see your name. So you can remove your name, then you can write anything you want, and once you're done, for example if you complete yours, then simply tap on the save. Okay, once you tap on the save, then go back from this page. So I'm just going to back from this page, and then you have to log out your account. So once you're done, then you have to log out your account and sign in again. So let me show you like it's. So simply tap on your profile and you can see the option logout. So simply tap on the logout. Once you tap on the logout, then you can see the sign in. So I'm just going to click logout. So it's sign in now. So simply tap on the sign in, then will be seen successfully. So okay friends, today is no more, and see you in the next video.